Okay, we're kind of at this area called Central Taipa Park, and we're basically surrounded by all these tall buildings. Let me just kind of do a little thing like this. You can see them all the way around us on all four sides. And then there's a park in the middle called Taipa Central Park. And what we're going to be doing is kind of showing you what's over there. And then we're going to walk down the street a little ways. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are at Taipa Central Park. The first thing we'll do is we'll just kind of show you there's all these tall buildings. Directly down that way is IKEA and Nova Mall. So there's a mall in this area. There's also a beautiful park. Let's just take the camera towards the park for a second. Okay, cameras are okay. And right over here there's a swimming pool. So you can see a giant swimming pool right there, right in the middle. Looks like there's a lot of people out too. Huh, haven't been here in a while. There's some park benches. There's a library that's down that way. And over there there's another playground area. There's also like a soccer one over that way and a basketball one that's over that way. But yeah, this right here that we're in front of is a swimming pool. It's kind of interesting because all these buildings on all four sides overlook that swimming pool, right? So right down there is an Indian restaurant. That's one of the best Indian restaurants in the city, and it happens to be in this area called Taipa. That right there is a pharmacy. It's I think it's always like Portuguese guy that I think he runs it. I think he's a doctor, so he's usually giving out prescription. And he has a couple of people that he works with. And then over there's a place called Private Party, which is a bar. I think they got pool tables in there. Let's just kind of walk over there and just kind of check it all out. Let's kind of show you what's here. I know people are kind of curious about it. 250 MOP unlimited drinks from 8 to 12 every day. 250 is a lot of drinks, plus a live DJ Tuesday nights. That's tonight. Let's see. So that's kind of what it looks like. That's called Private Party. Okay, let's just see what else we got around here. So let's head back this way. That's kind of a new extension of the University of Macau. I think that one is for like 9 through 12, I think grade, not 100% sure. But it's kind of a new building over by the Skyway. We're gonna be walking towards the Skyway right now. So yeah, that was Private Party. You got a little taste of that. Lots of tall buildings in the background, in the foreground. Walking towards some now. There's another bar in this area too. Handful of them around, of course. All our skyscrapers. Taipa has a lot of tall buildings. It was built, the Macau side was built first, and that has all the historical, colonial, Portuguese remnants everywhere, and lots of kind of a big juxtaposition of Chinese places, Portuguese places, all kinds of different architectural, who knows, postmodernism, all kinds of different stuff. Art Deco, everything kind of fits in there throughout the different eras. But Taipa was built, here's more, there's a giant Mid-Autumn Festival thing. Nice little trail. They're playing soccer here, so that means that basketball must be on the other side. But Taipa came out in the 1980s, I believe. So my understanding of Taipa is that all these buildings were, I think the bridge that reached, before to get to the Macau side of Taipa, it took a couple hours by ferry. And then I think it was 1974 when they built a bridge that connected the two islands. And then they, and then kind of slowly it just kind of exploded. Like 5, 6, 7 years later, in the early 1980s, it just exploded, and they just started building all these tall buildings everywhere. And I kind of get the impression that at that time, there's very few lights were on. It just looked like they kind of built something that was never going to be used, right? That was how they interpret it now from that time period. So all of these things were, I think these are new, these ones right here, but there's a lot of other tall buildings everywhere. These ones are a bit older on that side. And those probably were from the 80s, and these are probably from more recent decade. There's another view into our park right over there. We're gonna go up on top, and then we're gonna get a better view from the park as well. So let's do that next. So basically, Taipa came about 1980s, and then now it's I think it was when was the first casino in Taipa? It was not too long ago, in the 2010s, I believe. That's when they kind of exploded. And then when the casinos came, then all this stuff became pretty high demand and more popular. Now that Taipa is a lot more expensive than the Macau side now, generally. And now we're kind of coming into these Skyways right in here. So this Skyway is brand new. This wasn't even here before. And now it goes all the way down that way. Overlooks this park. And then it goes all the way down to the metro as well. So let's just kind of take a look. We'll overlook this a little bit. And then there's our Taipa Central Park. So about 5 minutes, so now you can see kind of how it looks like. And the Skyways just came about maybe 3 months ago, maybe. And it's transformed this area. Before, when I'd come over to this part, I felt like I was, actually those are all new too, those buildings over there. So when I first got here, it was these buildings and these buildings. I think that was new, or these are older, definitely. And then this kind of exploded, and they built the Skyway, and then the Skyway kind of transformed the whole area of a park. And now you got buildings on all 4 sides, right, all around this park, and then much other parts of Taipa as well. So yeah, that's kind of a little bit of history of Taipa, and now this is kind of made, the Skyway right here that goes all the way to the metro line kind of makes this whole area feel like the center of Taipa, where before it was kind of on the peripheral part. A lot of big changes happened just within the last year or two. And I think we're gonna end it in a second. We'll just kind of overlook the street for a minute. And then actually we can get a better view of Taipa Park right here. Then you can also see more of the Skyway, so now you can kind of see how that goes all the way down like that. Then you can't see it right at the moment. Let me see if I go down a little bit further. Now we can see it. You see that yellow tree right there? That is actually in China. That's in Zhuhai, China. There's a waterway that separates this one from that. So, so basically this will all be part of Hengqin. That's part of Hengqin, which is part of China, part of Zhuhai. And then that will be kind of connected so that it has that feeling like it's in this city when it's actually in another city. Just that little yellow building right there, that small one. Looks small and compared to these tall buildings in the background. There's our park again. Take a look at here. So yeah, that Skyway is pretty transformative, actually. It's really changed the whole feeling of this neighborhood. Yeah, this whole park. So they're playing soccer right there. Playground right there. That little structure right there, there's a library. You go down underground and there's a library. I have filmed there before, but it's been a while. I filmed all of this stuff before. But each one has a different feel after you film it. Makes everything look a little bit different.